Hey friends, if you wish to force Windows 11 update on your computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now, we need to understand that one thing is updating the system manually. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, click on Windows Update and click on download and install all check for updates in the right pane. Okay. This is a different thing. But if you really wish to force Windows updates at any cost, even if Windows doesn't want to update, then the best method is through the Windows Update Installation Assistant. Okay. So this is actually a tool and then you can download it from Microsoft.com. I searched for it on Bing and then I am going to download it now. Wait, it's called a Windows Update Assistant. And once it's downloaded, then click on open. And then click on run. And then it will mention whether the device is already running the latest version of Windows 11. If not, you will get an option to push for the latest updates. And yes, this is the same Windows 11 installation assistant that is used for installing Windows on our system. But if it is already installed, this one can be used to update your system to the latest version, especially when a cumulative build is in pending. Now, just to verify this claim on whether I'm on the latest version or not, right click on the start button, select settings, go to Windows Update and click on check for updates. And wait for it to check for the latest updates, and it will mention the exact date and time when the latest update was installed on your system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.